Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. This is class 6 and you are studying mathematics with me, Samia Bukhari. Students, you have learned to calculate HCF and LCM. Now it is time to apply these mathematical skills in real life situations. So today our topic is application of HCF and LCM. By the end of the lesson, you will be able to solve questions involving HCF and LCM in real world context. How does HCF work in real life situations? Let's understand it through an example. If we have 10 drawing papers and 15 crayons and we need to divide equally among maximum number of students, so how many students we can consider? If we give these things to one student, that means 10 drawing papers and 15 crayons will be taken by one student. So 1 is common factor of 10 and 15, which is always true for all natural number. And if we consider 2 students, then we can divide 10 drawing papers equally among them. But we cannot divide 15 crayons equally among them, as if each student gets 7 crayons, then 1 will be left. And if we consider 3 students, then we can divide 15 crayons equally among them, but 10 drawing papers cannot be distributed equally. Similarly, for 4 students, 10 drawing papers and 15 crayons cannot be distributed equally. But if we consider 5 students, then 10 drawing papers and 15 crayons can be distributed equally. And each student will get 2 drawing papers and 3 crayons. That means HCF of 10 and 15 is equal to 5. Now we understand how LCM works in real life situations through an example. If 2 friends visits market on regular intervals, Sana visits market on every second day, Naz visits market on every third day. After how many days they will meet each other? If we say Sana visits market on every second day, then definitely she will visit market on second day, on fourth day, on sixth day, and so on. And if we say Naz visits market on every third day, then definitely she will visit market on third day, sixth day, and so on. So on sixth day they will meet each other, or we can say LCM of 2 numbers 2 and 3 is equal to 6. Students, please open your book with page number 21. Here you are given with worked example 13. It says the lights on 3 light ships flash at regular intervals. The first light flashes every 18 seconds, the second every 30 seconds, and the third every 40 seconds. The 3 lights flash together at 10 p.m. At what time will they next flash together? Students, we need to find out future time at which they will flash together. That means we need to find out common multiple of time in second. So in solution, you can see given values of time intervals are expressed as product of their prime factors. Then common prime factors with higher index are taken out and remaining factor 5 is also taken out. Their product is equal to 360. This value represents time in second. So this is converted into 6 minutes. Students, as it is given in question that 3 lights were flashed together at 10 p.m. last time. So we will add 6 minutes into 10 p.m. to get next time at which 3 lights will flash together. So the final answer is 10:06 p.m. Dear students, don't memorize mathematics. First understand it and then apply. Students, you will be successful for understanding this lesson if you remember to apply HCF or LCM in right context and follow the steps carefully for problem solving. And your written task includes questions of Practice Now 13 with similar question number 8 from exercise 1B. And if you have any question, then do ask. Allah Hafiz.